Chemical temperature is very important. Store kits above 70 degrees F or 21 degrees C prior to use. Cold chemicals may lead to off-ratio flow and tanks not emptying equally. Optimum chemical temperature is 75 to 80 degrees F or 24 to 26 degrees C. If your kit is a complete assembly, the 15-foot hose assembly and nozzle packet, including instructions, will be packaged in the A side box. After the tanks have been carefully conditioned to 75 to 80 degrees F, remove them from their respective boxes and shake each tank vigorously for 15 to 20 seconds. Remove the protective valve thread caps and match the red braided hose to the A tank with the red sticker on top of the tank. Finger tighten the hose and then snugly secure with a 9/16 inch open end wrench. Follow the same procedure with the black braided hose to the B tank with the black sticker on top. Wear impervious gloves, protective eyewear, and suitable work clothes during use. Use with adequate ventilation or certified respiratory equipment. Extend the 15-foot hose fully and pack the gun face with Vaseline. Insert bottom tab of nozzle into the bottom slot of dispensing unit. Attach top latch of nozzle by pushing towards the back of the unit until an audible snap is heard. To remove a used nozzle, push the top latch up and forward to unsnap. With tanks upright, open tank valves completely. Tank valves must be upright during use. Be sure your surfaces are prepared to spray by assuring they are grease, dust, and moisture free. Near where you anticipate starting, take a test shot to make sure both chemicals are dispensing equally. The A chemical on its own is a dark brown color. The B chemical alone is extremely white. The proper mixed product is a yellowish white color. The foam should be dry to touch in approximately 45 seconds and cured in 5 minutes. Now you are ready to spray. You have two choices in nozzles. A round nozzle will give you a tight pattern ideal for small confined areas. The fan-style nozzle is more suitable for open wall spraying or header areas or between studs. Always try not to spray into rising foam and stay ahead of your previous pass. Move the dispenser quickly, evenly covering the surface you are spraying. Each pass will expand 1/2 inch to 3/4 of an inch with the flat spray nozzle and 1.5 inches to 2 inches with the round spray nozzle. After 45 seconds, you can recoat previous passes to achieve the desired thickness. When stopping spraying for more than 20 seconds, do not attempt to re-pull the trigger, but remove the cured nozzle and insert a new nozzle. When finished spraying, leave the used nozzle in the gun. Fully close the tank valves and coil up the hoses and hang over the top of one of the tanks. Tanks can safely be reused up to 2 weeks after initial shutdown. When spraying can't continue within 2 weeks, you must do the following procedure. Every 14 days, open both tank valves fully. Remove the used nozzle from the gun and pull the trigger into the garbage container for 3 to 5 seconds. Repack the gun face with Vaseline and reinstall the used nozzle in the gun. Close tank valves fully and hang the hose assembly over one tank top. Now you are good for another 2 weeks. If you are spraying multiple kits, up to 3, with the same hose assembly, you must change hose assemblies to a new tank set. As previously practiced, chemicals must be the proper temperature. The full tanks must be shaken for 15 to 20 seconds. Align the A tank near the A tank and the B tank near the B tank. As you would double bend a garden hose to stop the water flow, you must double bend the A tank chemical hose as close to the on-off valve as possible. Hold the hose double bent with your left hand and loosen and remove the hose fitting with a 9/16 inch open end wrench with the other hand. Immediately transfer the A hose to the new A tank. Follow the same procedure with the B tank. You shouldn't spray more than 3 sets of chemicals with one hose set. If you have any questions regarding any of these procedures, don't hesitate to call us at 1-800-565-9936. Happy foaming.